Hi, my name is Charity Mitchell. I currently live in Frederick, Maryland, where I work at the Mental Health Association doing a systems navigation program where I help families navigate through the resources through the community. I also am a hotline call specialist here as well. I have been able to have many different types of jobs within social work over the years due to the fact that my husband was in the Air Force for 20 years. So we got to move around a lot. I got to try a lot of different jobs. So some of my personal assets that I provide to my classmates and the class is adaptability, because I had to adapt to different places and things and try different jobs. So being able to adjust well was important. My compassion, I feel a strong need and to care for other people and to take care of them and help them do better. My sense of service, I love working and helping other families find their strengths, show them their strengths and help them realize how resilient they are and how much they can do for themselves, and also provide that backup support for them. I look forward to working with you guys in the class, and you guys have a great day. Thanks.